Chicken chips, I don't even like those. Chicken chips, I don't even like those, but I don't give a fuck. Chicken chips, I don't even like those. Put half my back. Chicken chips, I don't even like those. A handful of chips wasn't too much to ask.
You can go to jail for a long time for this.
What, free TV? Ricky, what the fuck's going on here? Ricky, get the dishes off my roof. What, you own space? No, Nasa does.
I have no choice but to call off.
I give a fuck about this stupid bullshit. There, they're in the fucking van and leave.
Chicken chips, I don't even like those.
Quit, I don't care.
Chicken chips, I don't even like those, but I don't give a fuck. Chicken chips, I don't even like those. Chicken chips, I don't even like those. I'm actually taking more, Ricky.
Mr. Leahy, turn the motor on, it's getting cold. Randy, you can see you throw those goddamn liquor bags and lawn chairs struck. Who owns this fucking car? Huh? Who owns this fucking car?
I own the car, Ricky. Have a heart. This is where we live.
Mr. Leahy, I'm open my eyes.
Like those. Look at that. Chicken chips, I don't even like those, but I don't give a fuck. Chicken chips, I don't even like those.
Seriously?
Chicken chips, I don't even like those. Hey, give me some chips in the meantime.
Boys, I'm out of rum.
I know things for fuck right away. There's nothing I could do.
Big fucking barrel switch I stole from Leahy and Randy. You can have it all.
Don't start drinking, Swish, please. My fuck, did it ever get you some drunk?
Don't stay real close.
No, I don't. Chicken chips, I don't even like those.
Fucked up this time.
Chicken chips, I don't even like those, but I don't give a fuck. Chicken chips, I don't even like those. I told him to stick a job and all the papers and everything up his arse.
You're not thinking of going back on the street, are you, Randy? Is that cologne I smell?
I need a cheeseburger. I need a store-bought cheeseburger.
I can make a cheeseburger better than store-bought.
Man's gonna go. I'm leaving. I got work to do.
Randy? Randy?
I've developed this new kind of weed and little tiny clones.
Mars is pulling it right out of the ground. Mars, I'm telling you, it's Mars.
These were this big a month and a half ago. It's growing like fucking nuts, man.
You're a genius, man.
Did we get a Ferris wheel? We're gonna buy the trailer park.